Hello friends, today in this video we will discuss about pyrophoric material. Now let me ask you one simple question. What is this pyrophoric material? So any material, you just imagine any material that comes in direct contact with the atmosphere or with the air and it becomes a big fire. Just imagine. So this is what is pyrophoric material. So pyrophoric material is a substance that ignites spontaneously when it is just exposed to air. See, this is air, and when the material is exposed to air, it becomes a big fire. So to pyrophoric material to happen, you don't need a matchstick or you don't need an external flame or a static current and all. You just air is just needed. Just you expose this material, just you keep the material in open atmosphere, big fire happens. So this is why pyrophoric material is very dangerous. And to understand more about this pyrophoric material, you need to understand about the chemical reaction that is happening with this material. Now, this material, when it is exposed to air, a big chemical reaction happens because this actually reacts with oxygen in the air. And this chemical reaction happens, and then this chemical reaction is sustained. It becomes a big fire. A spontaneous fire happens because this has an energy, and that is why this is used as catalyst. So what is a catalyst? Catalyst is something which helps in the reaction, which helps to make the reaction faster. So that is why, because this pyrophoric material has energy within itself, it reacts spontaneously with the presence of oxygen. So this is a catalyst, and most of the time this is very important. TEAL, triethyl aluminium. Triethyl aluminium is used as an example of pyrophoric material which is used in our company. If you are working in an oil and gas, in reactors you have this pyrophoric material. In paint manufacturing you have this pyrophoric material. This is mostly used in chemical production activities and all. So this is the example of pyrophoric material. You must remember this TEL. And most importantly, this pyrophoric material, when it is open to the atmosphere, or when you have a container which you keep this pyrophoric material and suddenly it breaks or it is exposed to atmosphere, big fire happens. So that is why pyrophoric material storage is very important. And next question is, how do you fight a fire when pyrophoric material fire happens? So if you are using traditional fire extinguishers, if you are using water, this is very dangerous because water reacts with pyrophoric material and it actually adds up to the fire. It becomes a big fire. So you cannot use water. Then only possible thing that you can use for extinguishing fire with the help of for this pyrophoric material is you have to use this pyrophoric material under inert conditions.